Hello, welcome to this beginner meditation practice. I'm Maya Sinclair. Sit or lay down and make yourself comfortable. With a straight spine, shoulders relaxed, start to relax your body. Relax your head, your forehead, your eyes. Gently aim to look at the space in between your eyebrows. Just try to gently set your gaze there in between your eyebrows. Relax your jaw, your neck, your shoulders. Relax your back, upper, middle, lower. Relax your stomach, your hips, your legs. Relax and take a deep breath in, then hold. Now release. Inhale, hold, release. Inhale, hold, release. Now breathe slowly and consciously according to your own rhythm. Allow the air to enter through your nose and go deep into your stomach. Then exhale fully, slowly through your nose. Allow yourself to fully experience your breath. Remember that if you get distracted by a thought, that's okay. Acknowledge it and then simply return to your breath. No need to judge or continue the thinking. Just let it go and come back to your inhale and your exhale. This is your meditation practice. Always gently returning to the inhale and exhale. This is a little break from your day, your chance to just breathe. All that is required in this moment is to breathe. Now, coming to a close for your practice today, becoming aware of your surroundings and your body, You can move your body gently, and you can open your eyes whenever you're ready. Well done. Thank you for joining me today. Goodbye for now.